Hello students, hello to everybody. Hope all are fine at home. Okay, so come back to our English subject. Being an English teacher, I am going to teach the 7th English. So we are going to learn about the one poem. It is present in the page number 67, children. So name of the poem is nothing but the name of the poem is Dear Mum, and the name of the poem is Dear Mum. Yes, it was the poet who was written the poem. The name of the poet was Brain Pattern. The name of the poet is the Brain Pattern. So all of you see the textbook, children. I will show you the textbook. All of you see the textbook. So it is see here. All are able to see the picture now. So what is given in the picture? Mother is there, one lady, okay, one lady is there, one woman is there, and one child is there, and some things had happened in their house, yes or no? Some footsteps are seen, water is flowing, yes, some marks are seen on the walls, yes, and he's explaining, yes, one pot is seen, flower pot, yes, these all are able to see in the, where are you able to see? You are able to see in the picture. Okay. So what is given in the poem? Okay. What is given in the poem? Let us see here, children. So here, come to our poem, page number 67. Once I will read the poem. Okay. Once I will read the poem, all should see in your textbook. Okay. Next, children, see here. While you were out, a cup went and broke itself. A crack appeared in the blue vase. Your great-great-granddad brought back from China. Somehow, without me even turning on the tap, the sink mysteriously overflowed. A strange jam stain about the size of a boy's hand appeared on the kitchen wall. I don't think we will ever discover exactly how the cat managed to turn on the washing machine, especially from the inside, or how the self-rising floor managed to self-rise. I can tell you, I was scared when, as if by magic, a series of muddy footprints appeared on the new white carpet. I was being good, honest, but I think the house is haunted. So, knowing you are going to have a fit, I have gone over a Grants for a bit. I have gone over to Grants for a bit. Did you hear, children? Okay, I have read the poem one time. So, I will explain the poem now. Let us start here, children. Before starting explaining the lesson, I will tell you, Dear Mum. Mum means for your mother. What you call for your mother? Everybody at home? Mother. Okay. In English we will call mum. Mama. Okay. Papa. For dad, Papa also you can tell. Okay. In Hindus they call according to their religious traditions. Yes or no? So they will call according to their tradition. So dear mum, dear. The boy is explaining the words. The boy is explaining. He is explaining about something is happened in the home. Yes. So something is happened at his home. He is explaining to his mother. Okay. He is explaining to his mother. So how is explaining? First of all, he is speaking very respectfully. Yes or no? Respectfully. Using the salutation. How? Dear mum. How? Dear mum. Mama, something is happened, mama. Like this he is not repeating. He is giving respect to his mother and speaking the words. How is speaking here? Dear mum. Now what he is telling? Let us see in the poem now. While you were out, a cup went and broke itself. Mama, when you went outside now, somewhat the other thing. I think we can guess that the mother has went for the duty or for the office or for any work. Okay. While you were out, a cup went and broke itself. Mama, when you went outside now, a cup went and broke itself. Okay. Where the cup is kept, it is moved forward and it was fall down and it was broken by itself. Mama is telling. By itself, Mama is telling. So, a crack appeared in the blue vase. Your great-great-granddad brought back from China. Okay, a crack appeared. Vase is nothing but children. Vase. Here, flower pot. Okay, flower pot. So some cracks have appeared. Some cracks have appeared. Vase is nothing but where the flower pots are kept. Okay, flower pots are kept. So this is called the vase, children. So what is telling? A crack appeared. Okay, a crack is appeared to the blue vase. Appeared in the blue vase. Your great granddad. That means great means grandfather has brought from where? From China. The vase which was brought from the China. By whom it was brought? By your great grandfather. Granddad is nothing but children here, grandfather. So great means great grandfather brought the vase from China. Okay. Somehow, without me even turning on the tap, the sink mysteriously overflowed. What happened here? Somehow, after some time, what happened? You know, Mama? See here, what has happened? Without me even turning on the tap. See, when I was not there at home, okay, along with you, after some time, I have went outside. Okay, without me, when I didn't go near to the tap also, even the tap. Even turning on the tap, the sink mysteriously overflowed. Means when we are oning the tap, what happens? All the water will sink. Yes or no? Overflows. Okay, sink and overflows. How the water is flowing? Mysteriously. Meaning is given here. Strangely, children. Mysteriously is nothing but strangely. M-Y-S-T-E-R-I-O-U-S-L-Y. Mysteriously is nothing but strangely. Okay. Strangely, the water flowed from the tap. Okay. Now, a strange jam strain. Strange jam. Jam, you know, children. Everybody will eat the jam. Kisan jam example. Okay. What the use of the kisan jam? You just keep the kisan jam on the bread and you will add another bread on that cream. Okay. And you will eat the bread. Okay. So that is strain. Strain is nothing but marks. Okay, marks. So jam strain about the size of a boy's hand. How much big strains are there? Marks are there. About the size of the boy's hand. Okay, boy's hand appeared on the kitchen wall. Okay, where that marks appeared, Mama? You know that the size of the strain of the boy's hand. Okay, the size of the boy's hand, that strain is appeared on the kitchen wall, Mama. Okay, now I don't think we will ever discover exactly how the cat managed to turn on washing machine. Okay, especially from the inside. Mama, I don't think that too. What is happened? How the cat has discovered what the cat has done, you know, Mama? It has been on the washing machine and it is managing the washing machine. What is the use of the washing machine? The use of the washing machine is used for washing the cloth. How it is managing? By using it. If you keep the plug to the electricity, okay, electricity, when the electricity passes through the machine, it works. So who is managing here? The cat is managed the washing machine. And from where it is managed? It managed from inside the machine. Okay, especially from inside. Or how self-rising floor managed to self-rise. Self-rising floor. One meaning is given. If you turn the page, there is a meaning. Self-rising floor is nothing but floor that contains a substance which makes cakes. Okay, the floor which contains the substance. Okay, and it is used for what? For making the cakes. Makes cake swell. You know, swell. Cake swelling means becoming the fat. At that place, okay, at that place, what is happened here? So the floor was rising. Self-rising floor managed to self-rise. It is going on rising. I can tell you, I was scared when, as if by magic. I can tell you, Mama, I was just scared. I was just feared, Mama, by seeing all these things happen in our home. I was just scared. I was feared. Okay. I thought that it was happening by magic. If those who know the magic, they can only do the magic. Yes or no? So the boys don't. The boys explained to his mother that unexpectedly all these things are happening by magic. Okay. A series of muddy footprints appeared on the new white carpet. A series means more than one series of, okay, the footsteps are continuing one by one, we can tell, no? So the series are there, more than one, more than two, it happened means footstep time means we can tell the series. Okay, a series of muddy footprints, a series of muddy footprints appeared on the new white carpet. Carpet, you know, where the carpets are kept on the floor. Okay, in our home. So there, what is seen here, a series of muddy footprints. Footprints is nothing but the shape of the legs is appeared on the white carpet. I was being good, honest. Mama, all these things are happened. I am being a very honest boy, no? So I didn't do anything. That simply happened by a magic, the boy is telling. But I think the house is haunted. And the boy is explaining. What is explaining? Mama, I think that our house is haunted. Haunted is nothing but some ghost, some devil has visited to our house. Mama, I think that one devil or one ghost has visited to our house and he has destroying all the things of our house. Okay. Now next point, children, last second paragraph, last second line. So, knowing you were going to have a fit, I have gone over to Grant's for a bit. Okay. When the ghost has visited, when the ghost saw that you have gone for the duty or for the office, he saw and he also saw me too also when I went to my grandmother's house for a few minutes. When you went and when I went, these all things had happened, mother. So these words all are told by the boy. These all words, okay, this all the explanation is done by the boy in front of his mother. Okay, that means what you have got from the poem, what message the poem is giving, dear mom. All the things, that means all the things, mysterious thing, okay, all the naughtiest things have done by the boy itself, and he is trying to escape. He is trying to escape from this situation, and he is giving the respect to his mother when he returned back to her home. Okay, return back to home. He is making the excuse. Okay, children, this is the poem given by, wrote by. Okay, the poem wrote by Brain Pattern. Written by Brain Pattern. Okay, next step, children. What we should have to do means after the completion of the poem, there are glossary. Glossary is nothing but some meanings here they have given. Okay, some meanings they have given. Your duty is to write all the meanings. Now remember this, before writing the meanings, difficult words. Okay, difficult words. Okay, write 15 difficult words from poem. Write 15 difficult words from poem. Again, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 6 meanings. And 6 meanings from page number 68, children. Okay, this is the today's homework. We have completed the Dear Mom poem and have given the difficult words and meaning. If you do the work, complete the work in time, next we will continue the remaining part in the next class.